ready to ditch those lackluster thumbnails and create eye-catching designs that actually get clicks. Head over to Nano Banana, a super user-friendly platform perfect for crafting killer YouTube thumbnails, even if you have zero design experience. Click on the big, obvious Create a Thumbnail button to dive right in. It's that simple. Now browse through their awesome template library. They've got options for just about every niche, or you can start with a blank canvas for total creative freedom. Let's pick this vibrant travel template for our example. See that background? Let's swap it out with a captivating image related to our video topic. I'm uploading this exciting landscape shot I took. Next, let's customize the text. Click on the text box to change the font, color, and size to make it pop. I'm going with a bold, easy-to-read font in a contrasting color. Spice things up by adding some eye-catching graphics or stickers from their built-in library. A little visual flair can go a long way. I'm going to add this travel icon. Now, let's fine-tune the design by adjusting the placement and size of each element until everything looks perfectly balanced and visually appealing. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit the download button, making sure to select the recommended YouTube thumbnail dimensions to avoid any awkward stretching or cropping. And there you have it. Upload your stunning new thumbnail to your YouTube video and get ready to watch those views and engagement soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.